In this video, I'm going to talk about Recordset within Dynamics 365 Customer Service Hub application. Now, Recordset concept is not specifically for Dynamics 365 apps, but it is applicable for most of the model-driven apps. So I'm in the Customer Service Hub application, and in front of me, I have case list opened. Now, if I go inside one of the case, then I will see one option over here. It's a navigational component. And if I hover mouse over there, it reads as open record sets. So if I click on this, then what happens is it opens in a different view. Okay, so it's kind of like like I'd say, like a similar to an Outlook view, whereby on the left hand side, you will be able to see all the listed components for that particular entity. In my case, it is cases. So if I click on another case, I will be able to see the preview. It's not a preview, but then it actually opens this in a separate window. Okay, so basically, if you see here, this is kind of like a navigational component, and this is where the result will be displayed. Okay, so you get a good real estate to view the result, and also you can navigate through the record one by one. So you can do this sequentially, right? Now, what if we do not have this view? Like if we do not have this view, then the other option is you need to go into the case list, open case one, look into this, go back, and then go to case two, and then, okay, after this, go back and again go back to case three. Now, with this record set view, the navigation is simplified. Okay, so when you click on open record set, you will be able to navigate to different cases, and it has got a rich and a clean interface. Now if you don't want to view, you can close this from here. Okay, and if you want to enable this, you can click on open record set. So if I hover mouse over here, it says close record set. So if I click here, then it becomes open record set, and thereby I can navigate. I can even close this view like this, or if I want more real estate, I click on the sitemap and I get more real estate to view the case. And if you want further more real estate, just press F11 on your browser and you get the entire real estate for you. Okay, so like this, you can navigate to various components within the customer service hub application. Okay, now remember, this is a model driven app, so it is applicable for most of the model driven app, but I'm showing you in the context of Dynamics 365 customer service application. Now remember, like on a similar term, Dynamics 365 has kind of a similar view for other application also. So now I'm in customer service hub, but if I navigate to customer service workspace, okay, so if I navigate to customer service workspace, now here you will see, if I go to home, this is the home page, and now if I click on inbox, now this is an inbox view. Now this is completely different from the record set. Okay, although it looks kind of similar in the form of navigation, but this is completely different, and I'm going to cover this in another video. Okay, so for time being, in this video, this is all about enabling, viewing, closing record set, and navigating through various items within your entities. Now remember, this is not only for cases, but then if you go to contacts, there also you will find similar things. So if I click on one of the contact, and if I want to navigate through all the contact in a nice richer way, I can navigate to all the contacts, and I can navigate to the contacts very quickly, okay, from here. So it is applicable for almost all of the tables within your Dynamics 365 customer service application. Thanks for watching.